Today we are going to understand about the TDS deductions which is done from your payment, that is your salary payments. Many people have this doubt that will we get the TDS refunded. So I would like to clear this, that you only get TDS refunded when your income is not eligible for tax. If it is eligible for tax, if your income crosses the basic exemption limit or it goes beyond basically 5 lakh, then of course your TDS will not be refunded, because this is the way that in the whole year taxes are being paid on your behalf by the employer to the government. So TDS are not refunded, but in case if at all your income is not liable for taxation and your TDS has been deducted by banks, it normally happens in cases of banks. If you have any fixed deposit, then yes, your TDS has been deducted. If your interest on your fixed deposit, if it exceeds 40,000 in a whole financial year, then yes, your TDS has been deducted by the bank and you can get the refund for those. So now people have the doubt that where can we see this thing, that how much TDS has been deducted from our payments, and whether the person who is deducting our TDS is filing his TDS returns on time or not. So this will be visible only to those people who are already registered on e-filing website and log in there with your user ID and password. This is the tab which you will see of registered user. This is the page of the website, and here is the tab which is of registered user, and click on login here. Now you just have to fill out your user ID. Your user ID will always be your PAN number. It is important. Just be very alert when you're putting this, and then click on login. Okay, so this is asking about the address update. If you have changed anything, if any changes there in your address, you can just update it, or otherwise you can skip it. I'll skip it right now. Just go to your dashboard, and here this is how the person who is registered, his dashboard looks. Click on my account, and here it is, view form 26AS tax credit. Whatever TDS has been deducted from your payment will reflect in 26AS statement, that is the form 26AS statement. So this is asking your permission to get redirected to the traces site. The traces site is the one which maintains all the data of your TDS deductions. So just agree to this thing. I agree to the usage and acceptance of form 16 or 16A generated from traces, because you all might be knowing that what is form 16 and 16A. If you not, then just DM me, I'll let you know. Click on view tax credit, that is form 26AS, and you will get this page. Select the assessment year for which you want to see the deductions. So I'll select the assessment year 2020 to 2021. If still there is any confusion between assessment year and financial year, you can just DM me, I'll let you know. Then click on HTML and click on view and download. This gets processed, and then you have to click on export as PDF, because it will be always better if you are exporting it. Even if you are not exporting it, here you can find it. See, here also below the details come, but it is better if you click on export and download. Here the file has got open, so here the file has got downloaded. I'll just click on open and open it. So this is the way your 26AS looks. Here this is form 26AS, where all the deductions are being reflected. See this thing, the person is employed in Massgaon Dock. You can see this thing, his income is this much, and these are the deductions. This is a salaried person, and hence his deductions are under section 192, and there is no TDS being deducted. Now the question will be why. It is very simple, because he is not basically liable for the payment, and hence his TDS has not been deducted for this particular year. Below here also you will find some more details. If this is only 192, if your bank is deducting your TDS, then you will find it under section 194A, and all your TDS will be reflected here. The amount which will be shown here, if you are not at all liable for tax payment, then the amount which has been deducted by the banks, you should be getting the refund of that particular amount.